Hello students, in my section complex quadratic equation I am coming another example. Just have a look. We have an expression 1 upon x minus 1 x minus 2 plus 1 upon x minus 2 x minus 3 plus 1 upon x minus 3 x minus 4 equals to 1 upon 6. It is very complex statement itself. So we will use an inverse of LCM technique. For example, I am writing 1 as x minus 1 minus of x minus 2 on x minus 1 into x minus 2. When you open it, this x and this x will cancel out. Minus 1 minus minus plus 2. Plus 2 minus 1 will give you plus 1. This is the inverse of LCM process that we do. Similarly, I'll apply the same in the other term as well. Now, I am going to distribute. If I distribute this denominator with this, I will get x minus 1 on x minus 1, x minus 2, minus x minus 2, x minus 1, x minus 2, plus x minus 2, x minus 2, x minus 3, minus of x minus 3, x minus 2, x minus 3 plus x minus 3, x minus 3, x minus 4 minus x minus 4, x minus 3, x minus 4. Now this is the distributive property we used. That's cancelled out. So from here I am getting 1 upon x minus 2, and from here I am getting minus 1 upon x minus 1. From here I am getting plus 1 upon x minus 3. From here getting minus 1 upon x minus 2. From here I am getting plus 1 upon x minus 4. From here I am getting minus 1 upon x minus 3. So we just see, we are getting this intermediate term cancelled out, plus, so we are left with plus 1 upon x minus 4 minus 1 upon x minus 1 equals to 1 upon 6. So as you can see, using this different method, we have simplified the whole complex statement in a very simple statement. Now we can take the LCM. Now this is reduced in a very simple statement. Let's have it. Now taking LCM, I'll be getting x minus 4, x minus 1. This x minus 1 will be placed over here. Minus. Now as soon as I open the bracket, this x will cancel with this. Minus 1. Minus plus 4, that is plus 3 upon x minus 4, x minus 1, 1 upon 6. This is 18 x square minus 5x plus 4. Now take x square of 18 here, get x square minus 5x. Now this 18 become negative minus 14. Now we can use middle term split. Two numbers when multiplied gives minus 14 and when added gives minus 5. So the numbers will be minus 7 and plus 2. X square minus 7x plus 2x minus 14 equals 0. Taking x common, x minus 7 plus 2, x minus 7. So we are having x minus 7, x plus 2 equals 0. So this implies either x minus 7 equals to 0, we get x equals to 7, or x plus 2 equals 0, we get x equals to minus 2. So we get the two required solution of this equation. Okay, I hope student you might have get help from this sort of technique. Do practice it and write your comment in your comment section. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe.